Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse, guys, for the cigarette lighter power outlet that's in the front console, where it's located, that fuse. If yours is not working, we will explain that. We will explain where you can buy cheap fuses, relays from. That way you don't waste your time and money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way, guys, you don't spend time and money on things you don't need. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So guys, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. Now you have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located right under the hood, okay, in the engine bay. So that's your car battery. If I zoom in, okay, you're going to see that behind the car battery you have a fuse box cover. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Check it out. Now this is the front of the truck, this is towards the back, but before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Check out now, guys, those relays. You have 2-3 different kinds of relays and fuses that could be really hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere, or they can be ridiculously overpriced at some places. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So the fuse for the front console cigarette lighter power outlet will be in that row right here. If you come and you count 1, 2, that second fuse right here will be for that specific cigarette lighter. It's known as fuse number 90, guys. 90. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.